This is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
Roll title.
Hey guys, Jennifer and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And today we're going to talk about the Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 41.
And this is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
Today we're going to talk about the Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 41. Now this gun has been around for a long time to all you new shooters out there. Somewhere in the late 50s it actually came out, I believe around 57. Now this is not going to be in your everyday gun shop, okay? It's kind of pricey, but it's a very high-end firearm.
This isn't your everyday Target 22 either. It's not something that you're just going to want to take out and throw around. It does come with two 10-round magazines, and it does also have a manual safety.
Now, this version we're looking at right now is the 5.5-inch version, but they also have a 7-inch version. Now, the 5.5-inch version has an overall length of 10.5 inches.
Yeah, and you know, the switch barrel design does allow for both the 5.5-inch and 7-inch barrel to fit on the same frame.
And it does have an adjustable rear target sight and a removable front sight, so if you want to put something like a red dot on the pick rail, you can do that and easily see over it.
One thing I have noticed is that it's a little heavy, weighing in at 42.2 ounces, and it does also have a wider style grip. The wood checkered grip is still a Target grip though.
Now the Smith Model 41 has a carbon steel frame and slide. With a button rifle precision barrel, this is definitely going to be one that you're going to want to take out to all those 22 rimfire matches.
Some of our range members have let us in on a little helpful hint as well. They do like to use CCI 40 grain lead nose ammo for target shooting.
A lot of shooters like how customizable this firearm is. That's including the sights and the trigger style. Now, some things they don't like are how big the grip is and how the magazine release is not easy to use.
I'm sure there's probably something on the market though that you could get to help with that.
All right, the MSRP on this firearm is around $16.19.
You should be able to find it right around $1,300 though.
Thank you so much for watching all you need to know in 90 seconds.
Be sure to let us know what you think about us being in the range this time rather than sitting at the table.
And definitely check us out on Patreon.